Started out a couple kids, met each other through our friends, getting drunk, making plans. We had each other, we had no care at all. We never known love before, never wanted nothing more. We were young and innocent, working hard to pay our rent. Big dreams, but we weren't scared. With each other, we knew we had it all. Just a couple of kids before, we never wanted nothing more. And I said, couple of kids who never wanted nothing more. So we got a little house, I got a job, we had no fear at all. Wanted kids, so we tried. Never knew the tears it'd make us cry, but we ended up with two, and they both look just like you. Watched them grow, made a life. It goes fast when you do it right. Taking trips and holidays, we had each other, we had no cares at all. Just a couple of kids before, we never wanted nothing more. And I said, just a couple of kids who never wanted nothing more. Before you know, you're growing old. It goes fast even when it's slow. But our love never changed. You stood by me until my final days. We never wanted nothing more. We had never known love before. We're just a couple of kids.